Hi. Hi, friends. Hi, friends. How are? Ooh. Phew. Sounds like I have a little case of the hiccups. Oh my goodness. Oh, I don't know how to cure these. But maybe our friends Mickey and friends know how to help me out a little bit. So let's see what we can do, okay? We have Mickey and a short cure for the hiccups. Mickey sighed. He had been hiccuping all morning, and it was very hard to paint shutters with the hiccups. Every time Mickey picked up his brush, his body shook and his paint flew everywhere. Minnie was passing by and noticed that Mickey looked upset. "What's wrong?" she asked. "Oh, hiya, Minnie," Mickey replied. "It's nothing. I just can't seem to get rid of these hiccups." Minnie invited Mickey to the door, and inside she poured him a glass of water. "Take a sip," Minnie said, "then count to 5 and take another sip." Mickey gave it a try. But the hiccups kept coming back. Said Minnie. "Try it with your eyes closed." Mickey closed his eyes, took a sip. But still they came back. Just then there was a knock on Mickey's door. Daisy had come over for their daily walk. "Hiya, Daisy," said Mickey. "Whoa," said Daisy, coming inside. "It sounds like you need my tried and true hiccup cure. It may seem silly, but it will take your mind off your hiccups. Just do what I do." Daisy stood on her tiptoes, and Mickey did too. Daisy twirled out Minnie's front door, and Mickey did too. Daisy did 2 high kicks, tap danced down the front walk, spun around once, and took a bow. Mickey wasn't sure he could do all of that, but he was willing to try anything. So he high kicked, tap danced, and spun right into Daisy's side. "Good job, Mickey," Daisy said. "How are your hiccups?" Mickey's face brightened up. "Heya!" he shouted. "I think they're gone. Thanks, Daisy. You're the..." Oh, Mickey frowned. "I guess they're not gone after all." Said Daisy. "Maybe Donald knows a good cure for the hiccups. Let's go ask him." The 3 friends set out to find Donald, but Minnie and Daisy were much faster than Mickey. When they arrived at Donald's house, they were waiting by the front door. "Where's Donald?" Mickey asked. Before Daisy could answer, Donald jumped out at Mickey. "Ah!" cried Mickey. "Sorry, Mickey," Donald said. "Daisy and Minnie told me you have the hiccups. I thought maybe I could scare them away." Minnie and Daisy and Donald watched Mickey closely. "Did it work?" asked Minnie. But Mickey just hiccuped up again. "Ah, phooey," said Donald. Mickey tried everything he could think of to get rid of the hiccups. He stood on his head while saying the alphabet backwards. He held his nose and whirled and whistled a tune while hopping on one foot. He skipped rope and sang, "My name is Mickey. I have a friend named Minnie, and I like mints." Nothing's working to get these hiccups away. Mickey sat down in Donald's hammock and moped. He was starting to feel like he would never get rid of these hiccups. "It's no use," he said to his friends. "I think my hiccups are here to stay." Daisy led Minnie and Donald to the side of the yard. The 3 of them whispered something to one another for several minutes. They had found a way to help Mickey. And finally, Donald rushed inside and returned with a large sack. Oh no. What are they going to do with the giant sack? What do you think? Let's find out. Donald reached into the sack and pulled out some blocks, and concentrating hard, he balanced the three of them on his bill. Next, Minnie and Daisy pulled two hoops out of the sack. They hung one on each side of Donald's arms, and he began to twirl them. "Oh, Mickey," Donald said, "now you try." Mickey wanted to try, but all he could do was laugh. I'm sorry, Donald, he said between giggles. You just look so silly. Silly, said Donald crossly. You call this silly? And Mickey just laughed harder and louder. Finally, he stopped laughing. Mickey realized something. His hiccups were gone. He and his friends waited and waited, but no other hiccups came. "I did it," cried Donald. "I cured Mickey." "You sure did, Donald," Mickey said. "I guess laughter really is the best medicine for the hiccups." The end. Oh, wow. What a silly story. Mickey had some hiccups, and then he tried to get rid of them. So first he drank the water, then he twirled out the door, did some high kicks and tap dances with Daisy. Donald tried to scare them away, but it was really laughter that helped him, right? Oh, and he also tried to stand on his head too, right? Yeah. Friends, what do you do whenever you get the hiccups? How do you make your hiccups go away? Do you drink water? Do you stand on your head? Do you do a high kick and twirl around the front door? Or do you laugh them away? How do you get rid of your hiccups? That sounds like a pretty cool way. Well, friends, now that you have some ideas on how to get rid of those hiccups, I have to get going. So I hope you get no more hiccups, and I hope that you take care of any of those hiccups, and I will see you soon. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye.